I want to tell you something. When we are learning English, there is very high chance that we face three major challenges. Challenge number 1, vocabulary. Challenge number 2, pronunciation. Challenge number 3, grammar. Which one is more important than the other? Actually, the answer to this beautiful question is that no one is important than the other. All of them are in the equal level of importance. We need vocabulary because vocabulary is the cement of the language. It's the isment of language. Grammar makes people understand you. Like, for example, when I say I saw a dog. I saw a dog. Now, إذا ما خليت هذه الجملة I saw a dog correctly ما راح الشخص المقابلي يفهمني بطريقة مناسبة. يعني إذا قلت مثلا dog I saw أو saw I dog ما راح يكون نفس ال validity مالتها أو الجدوى اللي موجودة وأني دا استخدمها بطريقة مناسبة. The point that I want to make here is this. We need to focus on learning vocabulary and mastering basic English grammar, and also learn pronunciation, because pronunciation to me is like the makeup to English language. You see? Sometimes you feel like I want to put makeup, and sometimes I do not feel I want to put makeup. But for English, there is always this necessity of using makeup all the time. And when I talk about pronunciation, I'm not talking about accent, American, Canadian, Australian, Irish, Scottish accent. No, I'm just talking about correct pronunciation. And by correct pronunciation, saying words like tough, not as tough, not toe or togue. Saying words correctly, forgot. So I instead of saying forgot or something like that, which is some kind of level we have already passed in English conversation. And it's very necessary to understand that these are the basic principles of becoming good English speaker, is to rely heavily on some quite significant amount of practice for vocabulary learning, for pronunciation, and for grammar. Again, vocabulary, pronunciation, and grammar. These are major elements, or the three musketeers of English language, أو الفرسان الثلاثة للغة الإنجليزية. Vocabulary, pronunciation, and grammar.